I am sure you all remember the trip to your local Kirana store. I most certainly do. I used to get excited about chocolates, chips, and popcorn kernels, which would end up becoming some really delicious popcorn when I was young. Plus, she would also get lots of different new items, like fryums and all those things, which I knew like I'm in for a treat. And every time she would go there, it would be something exciting. Now, here's the problem. Kirana stores are under siege. Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy are all trying to take over the local Kirana store you love. And the crazy part is, it's really hard to stop them. But hey, we are here to help. Hey guys, Nikhil here from the Bikai YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you a breakdown of 5 easy tips which any Kirana store can follow for free to increase sales. Please send this video to your local favorite Kirana store auntie so that she can compete against the big guys. Let's get started. Have a proper Google My Business listing and a Facebook page. Guys, Google My Business and Facebook page are free tools created by Google and Facebook to help local businesses. You can very easily set up your own listing by downloading the app on App Store or Play Store and adding all your details like photo, name of your shop, contact number, and most importantly, your location. Please make sure that when you're creating your listing, you add all details correctly and use the right keywords so that people, when they are searching in your area, can very easily find you. The best part is you can set up an entire listing in less than 60 minutes and you will see the benefits of this for your entire life. Comment below if you want us to make a detailed video on how to set up a proper Google My Business listing and a Facebook page, and we'll definitely cover this in a video. Next, very important point, start collecting customer reviews. I have seen so many good Kirana stores ignoring this aspect. Just asking for customer feedback can significantly help improve your business. A simple message to your regular customer asking him how they felt shopping with you and how you should improve will help that customer feel like they are contributing to your business. Because of this, what ends up happening is the chances of them buying from you again are a lot higher. And the best part is, say they liked, shopping with you, you can send them link to your Facebook, Google and Bikai store for a review and ask them for a positive review. Your neighborhood will feel like they are contributing to your business, and indirectly this will help increase a lot of your sale. Next important point, start collecting online payments. Many Kirana store owners don't collect online payments. I am not sure why. Here's the thing. Most customers like paying with UPI, wallets, online payments because they get a lot of rewards. You may have heard stories of online stores giving deep discounts where price is sometimes even lower than the actual manufacturing cost. Here's the thing, guys, collecting online payments, your customers will actually indirectly get a lot of these rewards which you can't directly give them. Because a lot of these payment gateway companies and wallet companies give a lot of rewards. And if you're worried about things like taxes and all those things, well, I urge you to go ahead and check on government's composition scheme for small businesses. If you're a business with less than 1.5 crores turnover, you can just get into a GST rate of 1%. Therefore, your tax compliance will also be very low. So please start collecting online payments. The convenience and the rewards which customers get will indirectly be forwarded to you because they would want to shop with you more. Next important point, set up your own online store. The biggest threat to Kirana stores these days are that there are large online stores. So how do you tackle this? These large companies spend thousands of crores on their website. So how can a small kirana store owner tackle this? First, let's see why customers like to purchase online. Here's the thing, in 2 to 3 clicks, they can check which product is available, they can check reviews about that product, they can check all other details and when they will get it delivered. The main reason why they buy online is not the deep discounts. Trust me, in 2021, no major online player is giving deep discounts. The main reason they buy online is the convenience. By setting up your own online store, and I will tell you how to do it, you will give your customers access to all these things. So how does one do it? How does one, spend crores of rupees to set up a great online store? One is a kirana store really can't afford crores of rupees. I understand that. That is why let me introduce you to Bikai. It's an online app which you can install for free and set up your own online store in less than 15 minutes. You can add your products, you can collect payments, and you can offer delivery to your customers. The best part is you don't have to spend a single penny to get started. And you will have your own website, you will have your own online presence. Your customers can now check what's available in your store from their home, and if they want, order online, or they can come pick it up from your store directly. So just by simply setting up a proper online store gives your customer access to a lot of information which he or she can use and make decisions. Your customers can also pay using credit card, debit card, UPI, and all the payment methods. The last point for today's video is communicate constantly with your customers. Every time you get new stock, add it in your WhatsApp status. Make sure that you create lots of broadcast lists of your customers and you send them daily price update, daily new stock update, maybe some new product which you have received to them. If you feel you're spamming them, let me tell you, every major company does this. And worst case, you can just ask your customers every 7 days or every 10 days or so if they would like to receive messages or not. By constantly communicating with your customers, you keep them updated and aware, and whenever they have a requirement, they will definitely think of you. Do these 5 steps for 1 month and I guarantee your sales will increase by 10%. If not, comment below and we will get in touch with you and we will figure out how Bikai can help you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and share this video with your local kirana store owner so that he can compete against the big guys. See you in our next video.